brother, how are you?
I am good, bro. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking, brother.
Okay, so I would like to know a little bit about you first.
Mm. So, brother, this is our first interaction. So, it is for both of us. It would be great to know one another. So, I am Ikram Ali from Pakistan, Sindh, Pakistan. By profession, I'm a teacher, and I teach chemistry subject to the high school students.
Wow. Okay,
And what about you,
that's great.
brother?
My name is Arun Kumar. I am talking to you from India.
Mhm.
I am from India, and my state name is UP. And by profession, I am also the teacher. English is
Mhm.
being taught by me in a private school, and
Oh,
I am running a YouTube channel as well, name called Learning English with AK. So there I just share my experience,
mhm.
and my hobbies are playing guitar, listening music, singing songs, and traveling. That's a little bit
Wow,
about
that's
me.
great. That's good. Mhm. This
Thank you
is
so
not a
much.
little
Thank
bit.
you so much.
This is too much, brother.
Okay,
So
thank you so much.
one who is a teacher and who is a guitarist and who also has a YouTube channel. That's not a little bit, brother.
Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, please. On which topic you would like to have this conversation, or general
I
conversation you want?
I think general conversation will be great.
Okay, so ask me anything, whatever you want to ask.
Okay, so brother, as you have said that you are from UP. So are you also teaching in the UP or you are basically from UP and you are teaching in another state?
I am basically from UP, district Bagpat.
Mhm. And what about the teaching? Are you also teaching in the UP?
Yeah, I am teaching in UP as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, brother, how long have you been teaching?
If I talk about my teaching experience, so since 2012, I have been teaching this beautiful language.
Okay. So, brother, you have said that in your introduction that you are in a government sector, right?
No, no, no. I am private teacher. I
Okay, you are
teach
at the
English in a
private.
private school.
Okay, private
Yeah.
teacher. So, brother, did you not try for the government institution?
I never wanted to do the government job, honestly
Why?
speaking,
Why?
because I have the, you can say a little bit of a business type mind. So I
Hmm.
just like to do the business. So before lockdown, I was running as well. So because of pathetic situation, it was collapsed.
Hmm.
So that's why I just came on YouTube and I'm teaching. I'm teaching this beautiful language, and I'm teaching in a
Okay.
private school as well. Yeah.
Okay. So, what about your YouTube channel? So, how long have you been running your own YouTube channel?
I have completed my YouTube channel journey means 11 months you can say. So I have been
Okay.
running my
So,
YouTube channel for 11 months. Yeah. And today,
so from
today
11.
night,
Mm-hmm,
yeah,
mm-hmm.
today night I have monetized my channel as well. So I'm so happy for that.
Okay, wow, that's great. That's great. So best of luck for your YouTube, and
Thank
inshallah
you so much.
that your YouTube will be a milestone for you.
Thank you so much for your great words regarding me, kind
Mm.
words regarding me. Okay, so yeah. So you tell me,
Yes.
how long have you been running this YouTube channel?
Actually, today is my third day. I think I've just
Really?
started. Yes,
Okay. Okay.
and
So how long?
I have uploaded my third video on my YouTube channel. So I
Okay.
have given myself a challenge to upload at least 1,000 videos at a
Okay.
stretch without
Very good.
taking even a pause. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, everything will be okay because if you have the willpower, so you can just definitely do anything, whatever you want. So all
Mm.
the best from my side as well, and may God bless your channel and you too as well. So you can just achieve everything, whatever you want to do in your life.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, brother, so much. So, brother, as you have said that you have been running your YouTube channel. for more than 11 months. So
Yeah,
it is necessary for a YouTube channel to monetized to get monetized that it must have 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time. So did you
yeah.
complete that criteria yesterday?
No, no. Actually, right now, if I talk about, so more than 2,700 subscribers I have got,
Hmm.
and more than 10,000 hours watch time I have got.
Okay, then why did
So
you delay to get monetized to your YouTube channel?
2 months I delayed because of some issue was going on in my, you can say in my bank. So that's why I just not, I did not send my channel to the monetization. So now I have completed everything. So I last night I just sent to the monetization. So I got soon result as well. So they monetized my channel.
Okay, that's great. So, brother, as you have said that you have been teaching your English for more than 8 years, right?
11.
11. So, brother, what is your educational background? Is your education background is also English language or it is something else?
I am completely, surrounded by the Hindi environment. You can say, I
Mhm.
completed my all education from Hindi medium, but why I
Mhm.
just became the English teacher because in 2012 some incident happened with me and it made me English teacher.
Okay. A corona pandemic that has made you a teacher.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. So, what do you consider corona? Was it a fortunate or it was unlucky for you?
both.
Both at the same time?
Yes, why? Because
Mhm.
uh, uh, before Corona, I was running my business, so that was
Mhm.
running beautifully, and I was earning a lot of thing as well. But having the Corona period, it was collapsed. So that was the worst situation you can say for me. And I
Mhm.
have started my YouTube channel in that in that time period, you can say, and my channel has been monetized right now, so you can say this is good for me.
Do you play guitar or do you do something else as well? Do you hit a gym?
Yeah, actually, in my leisure time, actually, I don't have leisure time. You can say,
Mhm.
I am so busy in my life. I'm
Mhm.
busy. I'm having busy schedule. So if
Okay.
I will be having the leisure time as well, so I just love to play guitar in that time, and it gives me boost to do more, confidence or more energy to do my work as well. So that's why I just love to
Mhm.
play guitar in my leisure time.
I'm just asking. So on your YouTube channel, so is there only content related with the English language, or there is also a short videos of your guitar as well, that you are playing a guitar
No,
as well?
no, no. It is
Mhm.
completely related to English speaking. Yeah, I just share
Okay.
my I just share my strategies, my experience on that YouTube channel and English related channel you can say only.
Okay.
Actually, in my initial days, I did all the things like
Mhm.
reading practice also I did, and writing practice also I did, and listening practice I also did, and speaking you know very well. By the speaking, you can speak only, otherwise you cannot, right? So yes,
Right.
four aspects are there. I just completed the task, but right now I cannot means I do not do writing. I do not yeah, writing I'm not doing, but yes,
Mhm.
listening practice is going on, and I'm having sessions. So means speaking practice is going on, and yeah, listening and speaking.
Okay.
Yes,
So, brother, we should wrap up our session now because it has been 10 minutes. So, I think 10 minutes
yeah,
video is enough for YouTube. Thank you so much,
yeah, yeah.
brother, for
Thank
giving
you so
me
much.
such a precious time from your busy schedule. Thanks.
Thank you so much for having this beautiful session. Bye bye. Have a great day.